Script, Equifax score versus FICO score comparison. Want to know the difference between your Equifax score and your FICO score? Let's clear that up now. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll explain how the Equifax credit score compares to the FICO score and why that matters to you. Both scores measure your creditworthiness but use slightly different models and data. Equifax score is calculated by Equifax's own formula, while FICO scores are created by the Fair Isaac Corporation. Lenders may use either or both scores depending on their preference. FICO scores tend to be the most widely used in lending decisions. Your score range is generally the same for both, from 300 to 850. Differences in your score may arise based on how each model weighs factors like payment history, credit utilization, and credit inquiries. Understanding both scores can help you better manage your credit and loan applications. Quick tip, check which score your lender prefers to see before applying for credit to be prepared. Leave a comment with questions, like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick finance tips. Thanks for watching.